Protein is an essential macronutrient that your body needs for several vital functions beyond building muscles. It is essential for building, repairing, and maintaining tissues, including muscles, skin, and organs. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of the body. There are 20 distinct amino acids, out of which 9 are classified as essential. These essential amino acids must be sourced through our diet, as the body is unable to synthesize them on its own. Optimal protein intake is vital for supporting hormonal balance, enhancing immune function, and facilitating numerous biochemical processes within the body. The daily protein requirement can vary significantly between individuals based on several factors including age. Children, adolescent, and pregnant or lactating women generally require more protein for growth and development. Activity level: athletes or individuals engaged in regular, intense physical activity may require more protein to support muscle repair and growth. Body weight and composition: individuals with higher body weight or greater muscle mass often need more protein compared to those with lower weight and less muscle. Health status: certain medical conditions or illnesses may increase protein needs. Generally, one should consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. However, those who are active or have specific dietary goals may need between 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram. Older adults may require 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram to prevent muscle loss with age. For most healthy adults, protein should make up 10% to 35% of daily calories. To ensure you're consuming 70 to 80 grams of protein daily, here are some practical tips. Include protein in every meal. Aim to incorporate a source of protein in every meal with common sources such as eggs, lean meat, poultry, fish, dairy, beans, lentils, tofu, or protein-rich grains like quinoa. Snack wisely. Choose high-protein snacks such as Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, or protein bars to boost intake without extra meals. Use protein supplements. If dietary sources fall short, consider using protein powders or shakes as a supplement, especially after workouts. However, you must always consult an expert before adding supplements to your diet. Create balanced meal. Design meals that combine protein with healthy carbohydrates and fats, such as grilled chicken with brown rice and vegetables or a chickpea salad. Plan your meals. Prepare your meals in advance, ensuring each one contains adequate protein. Keep a food diary or use apps to track protein intake. Explore diverse sources. Try various protein sources including plant-based options like beans, lentils, and nuts, along with animal sources to meet your protein targets and enjoy a varied diet. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Prioritize eating a high-protein breakfast. Eating 20 to 30 grams at breakfast keeps you full and allows you to hit your target early. By following these tips, you can easily ensure that you meet your protein needs and maintain a balanced diet that supports your overall health and wellness. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.